When it comes to enhancing the efficiency of your home, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades is window installation. Whether you are building a new home or upgrading an existing one in Sanford, new windows can make a significant difference in your home's energy performance. In this article, we'll explore how window installation can improve your home's efficiency, reduce energy costs, and contribute to a more comfortable living environment. Improved energy efficiency. The primary benefit of installing energy-efficient windows is the immediate improvement in your home's overall energy efficiency. Older windows often have gaps or worn-out seals that let drafts in and out, leading to uneven temperatures inside your home. By replacing these outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient ones, you can significantly reduce heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. This means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in lower energy bills year-round. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced glazing technology, such as low-E, low emissivity, coatings and argon gas filling, which help minimize the transfer of heat. These features work together to keep your home at the ideal temperature, no matter the weather outside. For homes in Sanford, where temperatures can vary greatly between seasons, this can be a game changer when it comes to energy conservation. Reduced heating and cooling costs. By installing windows with higher insulation ratings, you can expect a reduction in your heating and cooling costs. Traditional single-pane windows often fail to provide adequate insulation, allowing heat to escape in the winter and enter during the summer. Double or triple-pane windows, on the other hand, offer superior insulation, keeping the warmth inside during chilly Sanford winters and blocking the sun's heat during the hot summer months. Moreover, window installation with high-quality frames, such as those made from vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, can enhance the thermal resistance of your windows. These materials help prevent drafts and keep your indoor climate stable, ensuring your HVAC system doesn't need to run constantly. With proper window installation, you can enjoy long-term savings on your utility bills. Enhanced comfort. A more energy-efficient home doesn't just save you money, it also improves the comfort level inside your living spaces. Poor insulation can cause uncomfortable hot or cold spots near windows, leading to uneven temperatures throughout the room. With new, properly installed windows, the temperature inside your home becomes more consistent. You'll notice fewer fluctuations in temperature, making your home feel more comfortable year-round. Additionally, high-quality windows with noise-reducing properties can help minimize outdoor sounds from traffic, construction, or even noisy neighbors. If you live in a bustling area of Sanford or near a busy road, new windows can create a quieter, more peaceful living environment by blocking out unwanted noise. Aesthetic appeal and property value. Aside from their energy efficiency benefits, new windows can also improve your home's curb appeal. Over time, the appearance of windows can degrade due to weathering, stains, or fading. Replacing old windows with sleek, modern designs can make your home look more inviting and well-maintained, which can be especially beneficial if you are planning to sell your property in the future. Investing in high-quality window installation not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but can also increase its market value. Home buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features, and new windows are a selling point that can make your property stand out in the competitive Sanford housing market. Environmental benefits. In addition to saving you money and improving comfort, energy-efficient windows also contribute to reducing your overall carbon footprint. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you reduce the demand for electricity, which in turn lowers greenhouse gas emissions. For eco-conscious homeowners in Sanford, this is a valuable way to contribute to environmental sustainability while simultaneously improving their home's performance. Conclusion. Whether you're focused on reducing your energy bills, increasing your home's comfort, or enhancing its curb appeal, window installation in Sanford is a smart investment. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers long-term benefits that go beyond just saving money. You'll enjoy a more comfortable living environment, contribute to environmental sustainability, and boost your property's market value. With the right windows, your home's energy efficiency can improve significantly, making it a more pleasant and cost-effective place to live.